I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. You talk dirty to me.
So, finally making our way to the Milford Sounds. One of my biggest dreams I've wanted to do forever. Few young views before we start our day. Quick young van shot. We off on the road. So this one's actually so much going on today that we had to do a two-part today. Like I said, we're just checking out those mad views all along the way. I achieved a few things I wanted to do. See a Kia, see the Milford Sounds. But wait till you see the paradise of this thing. So I tried to take it on, like, stop at every possible rest area and thing to see there, like all different lakes and hell yeah. Even how the road structures are. So what was meant to be a 3-hour drive ended up being, I left at 9:30 and got there at 3:30. Only because I was stopping and seeing everything, like things like this. Every little rest area, every little lake. But check out what I find at this one. Beautiful little lake, beautiful. Hell yeah. Different views from different angles, the snowy mountains on the background. So you can see a lot of snowy mountains today. But check this out, on the way back up, I find me a couple of things. But of course, while we're down here, gotta throw those so easies up. Check that out. Both green airs too. Another van shot. More maunga. Gotta get those maunga. But wait till we start getting closer to those mountains, all the mountains. Damn, she gets mean. But just sharing those views with you. Why not? It's freaking amazing. Here we go, getting closer and closer and closer. More mountains off in the background. Whoo-wee. But as you can tell, you get 4 seasons in one day. One side that way, turn back around, it hits you again. So I hit rain, snow, sun, bit of everything. Don't mind me. Checking out the young river, everything I could. More van shots. Because it's just too stunning not to. The roads, the maungas, just bringing you on the journey today. They just look so stunning off in the distance, the old maunga. Like I said, you see some mean things today. With the changes just that quick out there, you just don't know what you're going to expect. The maunga out on the side there. Do the forestry. Bit of everything out there. But that's what I loved about the forestry. You come out and there's a big maunga standing right there in front of you. You have to stop and just admire all the ones around. Literally feels like the place of the gods though, like you're just walking amongst all of this. Ooh, like I said, we just stopped at all different rest areas. We had to get you those views. Because they say you haven't seen New Zealand properly if you haven't seen the Milford Sound, so we had to check out everything. Just letting you all admire it for a bit. Hell yeah. Back on the road again. Running up the river. Oh, bless me. See, just getting those stunning shots. A lot of waterfalls here and there. But once we actually get to the maungas, to the big maungas though, you start seeing waterfalls everywhere. And I like this tree. Kind of looks like the tree of life. I'm gonna call it the tree of life. Back on our mission. Hell yeah. Getting closer to those big maunga. Just some stunning views, like down there, man. Like that's a gully that goes forever. Couple of young van shots. And back off on the road again. See, that's what I mean. It's just stunning everywhere I look. My hands just keep flicking the camera everywhere today. Bam. How crystal blue their water is. See, now the maunga are getting huge. All the traffic leaving. So this was the only window. It's been closed for 2 weeks. Today was the only day that it was open, and then it's closed again due to storms. But see, you can't lie. The views are just so good. You can see why I had to do a 2-part. And this was my first encounter with the Kia. Just checking out everywhere around me, and there they are. They're not even scared of humans. Like, whoa. Cheeky though, they're cheeky. More views of those maunga. And then back to those cheeky Kia again. I went to drive off and they stopped me and flew on top of my roof, the buggers. Cool colours. The main colours. See? Now I thought there was only 2, but when looking at this, there's 3. Cheeky little buggers. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Get the weather just change on me like that. Look at that. It's just stunning. Now we're getting right into the snow. A few young views while we're up there. Ooh. Can feel the mana in this gully. Hell yeah. So much mana? Oh, even throw a snowball at you. Carrying on, carrying on. Just look at that pure